Are you looking to kickstart your weight loss journey with the keto diet? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to start a keto diet safely and effectively. We'll cover what the keto diet is, how it works, and how to get started step by step. The keto diet, short for ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan. The idea is to reduce your carbohydrate intake and replace it with fat. When you do this, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis, where it starts burning fat for energy instead of carbs. This shift has been shown to help with weight loss, reduce blood sugar levels, and even improve mental clarity for some people. But it's important to know that keto is not for everyone, and you should always check with a healthcare professional before starting any diet. To start keto, you'll need to adjust your daily macronutrient intake. Your diet will consist of about 70 to 75% fats, 20 to 25% protein, and only 5 to 10% carbohydrates. This can vary based on your personal needs, but this is the general guideline. Healthy fats should make up most of your daily calories, so stock up on foods like avocados, olive oil, butter, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. Next, you'll want to dramatically cut down your carb intake to about 20 to 50 grams per day. This means eliminating or greatly reducing foods like bread, pasta, rice, and sugary snacks. Instead, focus on non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and zucchini. These will give you fiber and essential vitamins without the carbs. While keto is a high-fat diet, you also need enough protein to maintain muscle mass. Choose high-quality sources of protein like eggs, chicken, beef, and plant-based options like tofu or tempeh if you're vegetarian or vegan. Make sure your meals include a balance of protein, fat, and veggies to stay satisfied and energized. It's easy to get caught up in processed keto-friendly snacks, but it's important to stick to whole, natural foods. While keto bars and shakes may seem convenient, they're often loaded with unhealthy additives. Also, remember to stay hydrated and replenish electrolytes, as you can lose water and important minerals when starting keto. Drinking water with a pinch of salt or taking electrolyte supplements can help prevent what's commonly known as the keto flu. Starting keto may feel challenging at first, so it's helpful to plan ahead. Meal prepping for the week can keep you on track and reduce the temptation to fall back into old habits. Prepare meals with simple ingredients like eggs, bacon, spinach, and cheese for breakfast, or a salad with avocado and chicken for lunch. Planning your meals makes the transition easier and more sustainable. Tracking your progress can be key to staying motivated. Using apps that calculate your macros and help you stay within your carb limit will make sticking to keto easier. And don't forget to listen to your body. If you're feeling sluggish, adjust your fat and protein intake accordingly. That's how you can start a keto diet step by step. Stick to whole foods, plan your meals, and make sure you get the right nutrients to stay on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.